I gotta cut some hair and make some money.
This barber in Georgia was back to cutting hair on Friday, just a month after his shop was forced to close because of the pandemic. But it's hardly business as usual. The chairs and all equipment have to be sanitized after every appointment.
I ain't crazy about wearing gloves cutting hair. I ain't crazy about wearing a mask, but I'm gonna comply with our government and do what we need to do to be operating. But it's better to do this than sit at home and lose my business.
Georgia, Oklahoma, and other states started reopening certain businesses on Friday, despite the disapproval of the president and medical experts. People are continuing to die from COVID-19 in the U.S. The death toll is now more than 50,000. Ramadan celebrations are looking very different this year, including in Bangladesh. The pandemic has forced a lockdown in the capital, meaning mosques are closed, even for special Ramadan prayers, and the streets are empty. For comparison, this is what Ramadan in the country usually looks like. Friday marked the first day of Islam's holy month of fasting. The Jordanian king and queen thanked healthcare workers for their efforts during the pandemic. They did this in the most personal way they could given the circumstances, a virtual Ramadan greeting. The king wished the medics a happy Ramadan and said he understood the challenges they're facing during the outbreak. The National Health Service is urging people in the UK to get medical help for non-coronavirus illnesses.
The NHS has obviously been coping successfully with a huge increase in coronavirus patients over the last several weeks. But what the nurses, the doctors, the therapists all want to emphasise is that we are here for non-coronavirus patients too.
A medical expert said Friday that accident and emergency attendance numbers had dropped by 60%. These robots may be small, but they're pretty mighty. They're delivering free meals and supplies to healthcare workers.
We've had a lot of NHS workers get in touch with us to say how thankful they are that they can actually use this service. Lots of them are doing 80-hour shifts in the week, an 80-hour week, and they don't have time to go to the local grocery store. So they use our robots for their shopping, and it's been really essential for them.
The robots whiz along at a top speed of 6 kilometers per hour. A massive arena in Toronto has been converted into a giant kitchen. The sports company running the program, MLSE, is looking to make 10,000 meals a day for healthcare workers. It also wants to give meals to the city's most vulnerable. The aim is to deliver 500,000 meals. Thanks for watching Global News. If you want to stay up to date on the latest breaking national and international news, be sure to subscribe to our channel.